We, the jury, find the defendant, Jason Chen, guilty of first-degree premeditated murder.
This is an emotional verdict. Everyone needs to maintain decorum, please. All right, sir, read count 2.
With respect to count 2 of Presumption 315228, we, the jury, find the defendant, Jason Chen, guilty of abuse of the corpse.
What's in the bag? Jasmine Pace. The court has instructed you on the law. And this case really boils down to premeditation. Then at 2:11 a.m., the defense called a witness whose name is Courtney Paglino Brewer. She was awoken by a scream. Lasted several seconds, she described. She heard footsteps chasing away from the bedroom towards the front door. She heard a female voice that she described as sad but assertive. The tail end of an argument is what was said. And then she hears the front door slam to Mr. Chen's apartment, not the interior door. She told you she knows what the interior door sounds like. She knows what the front doors to the apartment sound like when they slam shut. And it was the front door to the apartment.
Jason Chen and Jasmine Pace have been in a relationship on and off, as you heard testimony, for about a year. On November 22nd, just before midnight, Jasmine Pace came to Jason Chen's home at 110 Tremont Street, apartment 210. It's undisputed. What happens between 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock? There's no proof of it. You showed that he wasn't acting rational. Rational people don't shackle individuals and put them in garbage bags. They don't shackle the individual, put them in the garbage bag, and put them in a suitcase. Jasmine is angry. Jason, we don't hear that Jason's yelling back or that Jason's screaming at her when you're in the jury room and you are looking through these instructions. It will be important for you to remember it is the state's burden to prove each of those elements beyond a reasonable doubt. First-degree murder requires premeditation, as you saw in that first slide. The state has to prove that beyond a reasonable doubt, and it has not been proven. You will not find first-degree murder. In reviewing this evidence, we ask you to return a verdict of voluntary manslaughter.